Welcome back to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expert insight. Today, we're diving into something designed for the pros. But don't worry, I've got you covered whether you're just getting started or looking to upgrade your tanning game. We're reviewing the Norvell Sunless Kit, which includes the M1000 Mobile HVLP Spray Tan Airbrush Machine, 3 8-aughts tanning solutions, and Norvell's professional training program. This is a professional-grade sunless tanning bundle from Norvell, a brand that's made a name for itself in the spray tan industry. The kit includes the M1000 HVLP mobile spray system, a compact but powerful turbine with a quick connect-disconnect hose, HVLP spray gun, shoulder strap, and other accessories. You also get 3 different tanning solutions: Tuscan Plus, Venetian, and Dark, all in 8-aughts bottles. On top of that, there's access to Norvell's Sunless Training Program, which walks users through the science and technique of professional spray tanning. Setting up the M1000 was refreshingly simple. The turbine is lightweight and portable with a sturdy build. The spray gun feels solid in hand, and once attached to the 10-foot hose, I found the mobility excellent, even in tighter spaces. I tested the unit using all 3 solutions on different skin tones to really see the contrast in results. The application was consistent with minimal overspray, and the results were impressively even. What stood out most was the solution quality. Each formula dries quickly and leaves no sticky residue. The Tuscan Plus gives a natural bronze tone ideal for lighter complexions. Venetian has a violet base that complements olive undertones beautifully, and Dark delivers the rich depth melanin-rich skin types often seek without looking muddy. However, keep in mind that the unit is a bit noisy, not unbearable, but noticeable in smaller spaces. Also, cleanup after each session takes a little time, especially if you're running back-to-back appointments. If you're finding this review helpful so far, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Beautyistic, and press the bell icon so others looking to master spray tanning can find their way here too. Now let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: professional grade application with minimal overspray, lightweight, portable, and easy to handle. 3 well-formulated skin tone inclusive tanning solutions, includes foundational training that's actually worth following. Cons: the turbine is louder than ideal, slight learning curve with the spray gun settings. Cleaning the gun between different solutions can be time-consuming. When it comes to value for money, this kit isn't cheap, but considering what you're getting, it's fairly priced. You're not just getting a machine, you're getting top-tier tanning solutions, proper training, and a spray system that can support a home business or mobile tanning setup. For anyone getting serious about sunless tanning, it's a strong investment. Compared to similar spray tan systems like the Maximus Lite or Bellaccio, the M1000 delivers superior solution compatibility and a more even mist pattern. Those systems may be more budget-friendly, but they don't offer the same professional finish. However, if you're just experimenting and don't need training or multiple solution options, the Maximus Lite might suffice. Build quality on the M1000 is solid. The turbine casing doesn't feel cheap, and the hose connection points are reinforced. The spray gun has some weight, and the trigger control allows you to be precise. With proper maintenance, it's a system that can handle regular use. While I didn't need to reach out to Norvell customer support for this kit, the brand has a strong reputation in the industry for being responsive and professional. That's reassuring, especially if you're planning to use this in a business setting. If you're looking for a cheaper alternative, you might consider the Bellaccio Sunless Spray Tanning System. It lacks the same solution range and training, but for casual users or beginners on a budget, it delivers a decent tan with a lower upfront cost. So, here's the bottom line. The Norvell Sunless Kit delivers on its promises. It's built for mobile professionals, but simple enough for dedicated beginners to master. The machine is efficient, the solutions are high quality, and the training adds real value. It's not flawless, mainly due to its noise and cleaning demands, but if you're serious about sunless tanning, this kit checks most of the boxes. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. You'll find the link to the product down in the comments box. Got questions? Or already using the M1000? Let's chat. Drop your thoughts below. Until next time, stay golden, stay glowing, and remember, at Beautyistic, beauty is always more than skin deep.